Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a third generation Nissan Rogue and I will show you which fuse to check in case your horn is not working. Fuse is the first thing to check, and then if the fuse is good you want to check the airbag clock spring, which is the second most common reason why the horn wouldn't work. And then after that you want to check the horn itself, wiring and things like that. This video should apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the horn fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery right here. To remove the cover you will have two black tabs down there. You will have one tab here and one here, so you want to press those tabs and lift up, and do the same here as well. Once you remove the cover, on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram and here access to all of the fuses. And the horn fuse will be this small 15 amp fuse located right here. So this is your horn fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.